Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and Xbox Game Bar is enabled in Settings Gaming. Once done, try the Win+G shortcut immediately to test responsiveness. If it fails, restart File Explorer from Task Manager and attempt Win+G again. This reloads UI hooks. You're doing this now so you can observe any error text or behavior that guides the next actions. Keep a note of exact messages. They matter for targeted fixes. Next, you'll repair and, if needed, reinstall the app so system components align. First, go to Settings Apps Installed Apps, find Xbox Game Bar, choose Advanced Options, then Repair. Test Win+G. If still broken, reset the app to clear corrupt data. Once reset fails, open PowerShell as admin and re-register or remove and reinstall the package. This refreshes permissions and dependencies. Finally, update gaming services and the Microsoft Store. Outdated services often block the finish with system-level checks you might have missed. Update GPU drivers and any optional Windows drivers, then reboot so the overlay can bind to the GPU. Make sure privacy and background app permissions allow Game Bar access to mic, camera, and recording. Run SFC and DISM to repair system files if issues persist. If none of this works, create a fresh Windows user account to rule out profile corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, capture exact error codes and retry targeted fixes shown earlier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.